In part 1 of our series on foundation failure, we discussed the importance of recognizing the signs of a failing foundation. Today, we will focus on brick veneer and window frame separation, which is a common indication of foundation issues. When a foundation settles or shifts, it can cause the brick veneer on a home to separate from the rest of the structure. This can lead to gaps between the bricks, which not only affects the appearance of the home but can also compromises its structural integrity. Similarly, window frame separation occurs when the window frame pulls away from the surrounding structure. This can result in windows that are difficult to open and close, as well as gaps that allow air and moisture to enter the home. If you notice brick veneer or window frame separation on your home, it is important to address the issue promptly. Ignoring these signs can lead to further damage and costly repairs down the line. In our next video, we will discuss how to address brick veneer and window frame separation caused by foundation failure. Stay tuned for more tips and advice on maintaining a healthy foundation for your home. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful information on home maintenance and repair.